Hello friends, welcome. My name is Sarveshwar and today we'll discuss how to compute the four moments of any distribution. So friends, every distribution has many moments, but first four are necessary to learn for finance and economics people, and mostly we use only two of them, mean and variance. First of all, we need to generate some distribution. So I don't have any real data here so far. So I'm just generating a random normal distribution with 10,000 observations, having mean of 5 and standard deviation of and the variance of standard deviation of 8 here. So this 10,000 observation I have generated. You can generate anything here. So X variable I have generated with 10,000 observations, mean 5 and standard deviation is 8. Now I'm just making a histogram here. I already made it. So this is a histogram I have made. It's normal distribution. Now I want to check the mean of it. The four moments are there. First one is mean. So how to compute the mean? The formula is simple. Mean here. Enter. It's 4.85 because it's like expectation of 5, so it's almost 4.5 of these 10,000 observations. Then we go to the second moment, that is variance. VAR is the function, so it's VAR and the variable X. It's 64. 8 to the power 2 is 64. Then we need to compute third and fourth moment. These are high moments. For that purpose, we need to install a package moments. So go to the library and Crane library and add the package moments. And the formula is simple, like skewness of the X. It's negative. It's negatively skewed, and the kurtosis is 3. A normal distribution has a kurtosis 3. So it is a kurtosis, not axis kurtosis. Axis kurtosis means the kurtosis minus 3. 3 is the norm. 3 is the kurtosis for normal distribution. So this is a friend. These are four moments. I have made some blog for that purpose, and I have written something. What are these moments, and how do we infer from that? For that purpose, this is a blog. You can go and just visit it. Now, there are four moments. The first two moments, mean and variance, they are not unitless. Suppose our data is in inches. It means the mean and variance you compute, that would be in inches. So it means whenever you compute the mean and variance, it would be of the same unit that belongs to your data. Similarly, and unlike to that, the other moments like skewness and kurtosis, they are not they having the unit of data. They are dimensionless, so they will not have any unit like we have in correlation task. So skewness shows us the symmetry of the distribution. Is it positive or negative? The graph of skewness could be shown here. If normal distribution we have seen earlier, if it's skewed in left side, we would say it's a negative distribution. But if it is skewed in a positive in the right side, we would say it's right skewed or positive skewed distribution. These are the simple graphs I have taken from Google Images. And so this is the way, like skewness simply shows the symmetry of the graph. Formula I have mentioned here. Kurtosis shows us, does the distribution have fat tails or not. The more the value, the distribution is called the um, leptokurtic, and it is having fat tails. The shape is tall. When the shape is flat, like below normal distribution or very lesser, it's called flat distribution. So we have four moments. First, mean, that measures the central tendency. Second is variance. We know by volatility, that is a measure of dispersion. How, what is the variance of data near to their mean? And then skewness, it shows the symmetry of data. um, Left side and right side, are they symmetric or not? Kurtosis simply shows us the shape of the distribution. In this way, these are the four moments. Those are very useful for any distribution. Thanks for watching.